Everyone talks about crypto millionaires, and crazy gains splashed all over your feed. But here's the real question. What if you only have 10, maybe 50 bucks? Does crypto shut the door on you, or is there a way in? Today, I'll show you 5 simple ways to earn with crypto, some steady, some risky, and one that can start paying off in minutes. One of the easiest ways beginners earn with crypto is through staking. Here's how it works. When you buy coins like Ethereum, Cardano, or Solana, you can lock them on the network. In return, the blockchain pays you rewards, like interest at a bank, except here, the bank is the blockchain itself. Think of staking like planting a tree. You put your coins in the ground and over time they grow fruit. Small rewards that show up in your account. It only takes a moment to set up. On most exchanges, you'll see a button that says stake or earn. Tap it, confirm, and your crypto starts working for you. Some coins even pay rewards daily or weekly. The catch? Sometimes your coins are locked for a period, and their price can rise or fall while you wait. So staking isn't risk-free. Staking works best if you believe in a project for the long run. It's patience that pays. But if you're looking for something simple and steady, there are stablecoins. Stablecoins are cryptocurrencies built to stay tied to the value of the US dollar. $1 token equals about $1. The most common are Tether and USD coin. Think of them like planting on solid ground. Steady, predictable, and designed not to move. Here's the opportunity. Many platforms let you earn interest just by holding or lending stablecoins. Some apps offer 4% to 8% per year, far better than the near-zero interest at most banks. And stablecoins aren't just theory. USD coin, issued by Circle, is fully audited and backed by cash and US treasuries, which is why it's widely trusted by institutions. Tether, meanwhile, is the most used stablecoin in global trade, often moving billions across borders every day. These examples show how stablecoins have proven their usefulness in the real world. But nothing in crypto is risk-free. Platforms can fail, and in rare cases, a stablecoin can collapse, like Terra USD in 2022, which erased billions. That's why you should stick to well-known coins and trusted platforms. Stablecoins aren't about hype. They're about turning calm and steady into quiet growth. But what if you don't even want to risk money at all? What if you could earn your first tokens just by learning? A faster doorway into crypto. Here's how it works. Learn a few basics about a project, answer short quizzes, and you'll earn small amounts of that cryptocurrency. It's a way to get rewarded for building knowledge instead of only risking money. Think of it like this. Instead of paying for ads, crypto projects set aside tokens to educate new users. You get a slice of that budget simply by taking part. Some people have collected $10, $20, even $50 worth of tokens just by completing these short lessons. The beauty is that you're not just earning coins. You're building the foundation to truly understand crypto. That's why I'm guiding you step by step, so your first crypto comes from learning, not from guessing. Now let's talk about one of the most exciting and sometimes life-changing ways people earn in crypto: airdrops. In simple terms, it's when a project gives away free tokens to early users or supporters. Why? Because new platforms need attention and adoption. Instead of spending on ads, they reward the people who actually try out their product. Here's a famous example. In 2020, the decentralized exchange Uniswap rewarded early users with 400 Uni tokens if they had used the platform before a certain date. At launch, those tokens were worth about $1,200. Within just 6 months, Uni had surged more than 1,000% in value, turning that reward into a windfall for early adopters. And Uniswap wasn't alone. Projects like Arbitrum, Aptos, and several others later followed with similar airdrops, handing out thousands of dollars in tokens to everyday users. Sometimes, all it took was creating a wallet, testing a platform, or holding a coin at the right time. Of course, results vary. Some giveaways are huge windfalls, others barely worth a few dollars. And scams are common. Fake websites that promise free tokens in exchange for your private keys. Rule number 1, never share your seed phrase. These token drops are the wild side of crypto. Unpredictable, sometimes thrilling, sometimes disappointing. But not every reward has to be a gamble. Some come from everyday actions, like inviting a friend or buying your morning coffee. Another fast and beginner-friendly way to earn crypto is through simple habits you already do, like referrals and cashback programs. Most major exchanges, like Coinbase, Binance, and Crypto.com, reward you for inviting a friend who signs up and makes their first trade, often with $10 in Bitcoin or tokens from a limited promo. Then there's cashback. Some platforms issue debit or credit cards that return part of every purchase in crypto instead of traditional reward points. Do your grocery shopping and you instantly get a slice back in Bitcoin, with the twist that it could gain value over time. The catch? These cards usually require ID verification, and better rates often go to users who hold or stake the platform's token. Referrals and cashback feel almost effortless, rewards for things you already do. But before you dive in, there's one more thing you need to hear: mindset. Because in crypto, how you think is just as important as what you do. Here's the truth. None of these strategies are completely risk-free. Coins can lose value, platforms can fail, and not every reward will be worth much. That's normal in crypto. What separates beginners who last from those who quit is patience. In 2021, plenty of new investors jumped into meme coins, hoping to double their money overnight. Many lost everything when prices collapsed weeks later. Meanwhile, others who started small, tested safely, and held quality projects saw their balances grow steadily. The lesson? Treat your first rewards as tuition. Use tiny amounts to learn the system, build habits, and avoid greed. In crypto, steady curiosity beats fast and reckless every single time. So start simple. Choose one method, try it, and let the experience teach you. When that first $1 or $5 shows up, you'll realize crypto can actually work for you. Now you know 5 ways to earn with crypto. The real question is, which one will you try first? Staking, a stablecoin program, or maybe hunting for your first airdrop? Drop your answer in the comments. I'd love to hear it. Your first dollar earned won't make you rich, but it proves this world is real and accessible. That moment when rewards show up in your wallet changes everything. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who keeps asking about crypto but never starts. And don't miss the next episode. Crypto Nodes Explained Fast. How they actually make you money while you sleep. Your journey begins with a single step, but your first reward could be just minutes away.